Some mornings begin with an invisible checklist already running in the background. Things to finish, things to prove, a quiet pressure to make the day count in measurable ways. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote gently loosens that pressure and reminds us of something steady beneath all doing. Your worth doesn't depend on what you accomplish today. This quote speaks to a deeply rooted belief many of us carry without realizing it, that our value rises and falls with productivity, that rest must be earned, that a day without clear output somehow counts less over time. This belief turns life into a performance instead of an experience. Worth doesn't work that way. It isn't created by effort or erased by stillness. You don't become more valuable because you checked every box, and you don't lose value because today moved more slowly than planned. Accomplishment can bring satisfaction, but it was never meant to be the measure of who you are. When you release the need to prove yourself through constant doing, something softens, the body relaxes, the mind eases. You begin to move through the day with more honesty and less pressure. From that place, whatever you do accomplish tends to feel more grounded and more true. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice when you feel the urge to justify your day. Instead of listing what you've done, remind yourself that being present is already enough. Carry that permission with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to earn your place here. Your worth was never up for evaluation. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Worth is inherent, not earned, and rest does not diminish value. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.